Hi, I'm Sangeeta Gargi and this is my classroom, my universal pre-K classroom. Let me give you a quick virtual tour of my classroom. This is the meeting area where we start our day in the morning with greetings, circle time, and later on the story. And I always put my theme for the month, which is April. Topic for the month is plants. I have all sorts of pictures of plants over here. And then I have the key concepts here, like necessity of plants, attributes of plants, growth of plants, similarities and differences in types of plants for children to learn. And that's my flow of the day. The children knows what activity is going to be the next one. And here is my weekly, what I'm going weekly calendar, like what we do on Mondays and Tuesdays and every day, what's a special on each day. And basically you will see display of children's work everywhere. This one is a literacy bulletin board, and all the tasks and activities are aligned with the New York State Pre-Kindergarten Foundation for Common Core. This is response to literature. The children are read books, and in response to that they write back, they draw stories and bring the information what they have learned from the book, and this is called what response to literature. And then this is our emergent writing bulletin board, and I have the standards posted over here. Communication, language and literacy. The children come up with their own drawings and words and letters and alphabets, whatever they see, and also their own names. And this one is our technology bulletin board. The children learn through various games and other websites, those numbers, letters and other kinds of activities. And then they're learning to write their name using the WordPad nowadays. And there are the pictures posted of these children over here. And this one is our Literacy 2 bulletin board. I have the task and the standards over here, linking prior knowledge with a new understanding. The children were asked, like, why are plants important to us? They gave the response, like, why are they important? And then their verbal responses are documented over here. And that's the key vocabulary. Every time I keep on changing my vocabulary as per my theme. So we keep on repeating those words, the vocabulary words in our conversation to enhance their language acquisition and vocabulary. This is my dramatic area. It's loved by girls over here. And this is our math manipulative centers with all kinds of puzzles and those things. So, and this is the math bulletin board, tasks over there and standards over here. The children have learned to sort out the objects in different categories in terms of their attributes, and then they learn to make the patterns, the simple patterns. So the work is displayed over here. And on each bulletin board you will see also the school readiness goals applied, the tasks, the school readiness goals and the standards over there. The children virtually, this is my science center, the children virtually learn how to plant seeds in the classroom because they're learning plants are living things. But how are the living things? They do those hands-on activities to learn. Okay, this is how they learn the different parts of the plant, of the flower plant. And this is what we have nowadays for the planting, all different kinds of seeds for them to use the magnifying glass and to use the binoculars, and we have all sorts of stuff over there to see. And that's our science bulletin board. You can see the work of children with their drawings. They're trying to show that the life of the plant starts from the seed itself. So tasks, standards, plants are living things. This is how they were taught, like how the seed is going to transfer into a big plant later on. Plants are living things. This is the work of the children over here. And this is our ongoing science experiments pertaining to our themes. I keep on changing the pictures. We had water theme here, we have transportation here. I'm going to put the plants pictures over here because children did a lot of activities with seeds and other things and plants. And this is a family engagement bulletin board. We keep on sending monthly and weekly newsletters home, together time activities for parents to do. And every time they keep on sending us the different pictures, the activities they did with the children at home. And I always keep on changing as per our themes. This is our block center over here. This is loved by boys especially. They love to be here to make big buildings, the castles and other kind of big things over here. And here is my bulletin board for the creative expressions, the artwork. The children use different kinds of medias to express their creativity. And This is our sand center. That's our sand center. And this is our water center. They love to be here in both these tables. And that's my time schedule and lesson plan bulletin board. I have the schedule posted over here. And I have my lesson plan in case the teacher's not in school that day. The assistant teacher should know what to do for that day, what is specific about that day. And this is our teacher's bulletin board. I try to put